Hey guys, just got out to the shop. My friend is letting me borrow his shop for knife making, so that's perfect. I'll take it. A few of my friends have been asking for knives, so I'm not focusing much on them. So I'm doing a battering. Yeah, it looks terrible right now, but it'll look better in a bit. Got 3 batterings going on right now. So work on that. Here's the other one. I let it slip to a few guys that I've been working on Tanto design knife. This is the wooden profile or outline that I did. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So you can just see the blade edge right there. I'm probably just gonna flat grind it, and then got a swedge on top. Jimping, of course. Nice handle, so if you do want to choke up, you can, or you can bring it back just for a normal chop. I'll show you what it looks like on steel. That's it on steel. Don't, where is it? Don't pay attention to that. That was a little messed up by me. Actually, the tape that I added on here, I felt that the handle wasn't quite thick enough. It didn't fit in the palm. Didn't fit in the palm very nicely, so I just added a little extra piece of wood. Tape's covering that, so you can see the blue where I traced over it. And then same here, I just moved this all along here and added an extra layer, so that you'd get a thicker right here, right along the top. So that's perfect, 2 inches from here to down there. So in the beginning, I originally had, if you can see, I had a hole right there, and then the tape's covering it, and there's another hole right there. So, but that wouldn't really allow for the grind lines, so I just made it bigger so you can see how thick that is. It's thicker, so you can put holes in there if you wanted the effect. It's just for decoration, no purpose. Also, this is, I believe, 3/4. I have the drill. Yeah, 3/4 hole. So, I'm possibly gonna make that bigger. I only did one drawing, so I will have to do another right here. Oops. Put another drawing down, so I'll cut out 2. So let's get to grinding and all that stuff. Take a look at this. 1095 high carbon steel, 1/8 inch. Good stuff. Easy to work with. I like it. Best part, cheap. It's not too hot. I'll show you my mistake in a sec. You see that? Angle grinder slipped, so I'm gonna have to get that out. There you go, all cut out. Ta-da! And just use a stone here to get the rough profile. 8-inch Princess Auto, nothing special. I'm in the works of getting a belt sander and everything like that. My shop's coming along at my house, so it'll be soon when you see me in my basement and working away, but for now, I'm at a friend's place. There you go. Dry it off. So what do you got a sweater for? Or an apron, okay. The one thing that isn't good about marker, see, you lose the line a little bit. It's faint, so you just put it right back on. And you're all good. Back to grinding. Alright guys. No idea how long that's been, but I've been here for a total of 50 minutes so far. That's just the handle. So it's, even though it is a thin steel, it's not the best. The grinder's not the best part, actual tool, but it fits pretty good. It fits great. So yeah, I just have the top right there. Cut this part out. Yeah, I'll just use the grinder. Don't want to mess up with the angle grinder. So just so much grinders. Bench grinder, angle grinder, but just the 8-inch angle grinder I'm using. The wheel's pretty thick, so you can see my line. I left it a little short because I couldn't get it in that far. I might just use a file or something around. And right behind the camera, which you cannot see, is a drill press. So the hole's kind of faded. My template is here, so I can just put it back on. But the blue, partial blue circle there, is going to be a finger hole choil. I don't know what to call it, but it's good. We have to do, yeah, a little bit more work. It's a little rough in there, and it's a little pointy right there, which can hurt. But otherwise, I'm done. Just a little bit more work, and I'm good. Back to her. Alright guys, I believe it was just a little over an hour that it took me to cut this out. So yeah, kept this well, yeah, it's with an 8-inch bench grinder, it's kind of hard to do all these curves, but steel is really easy to work with. And I do believe this does look like this. I left it a little bit bigger on the blade, as you can see, and then I rounded that more in, so it is a little bit bigger than I planned on, but hey, bigger is better. Bigger is better. I have to, there's the faint blue circle there. Gonna have to drill that. I was originally gonna make 2, but it's already getting pretty late. I have to look for my phone so I know what time it is, but there we go. I'm not gonna do the grind lines today or anything like that, but I will drill this hole. Yep. Just gotta learn how to flip it or whatever so I don't cut myself.